Ready to turn your Notion obsession into a profitable side hustle? First, refine your template to perfection. Ensure it solves a specific problem, boasts a clean, intuitive design, and includes clear instructions for users. Think of it as crafting a mini software solution, not just a document. Next, package it attractively. Create compelling visuals, including screenshots or a short video demo. Write a detailed description highlighting the template's benefits and features, addressing potential customer needs. Now, market like a pro. Share your template on relevant social media platforms, engage with the Notion community, online forums, and consider running targeted ads to reach your ideal audience. Don't forget to utilize relevant hashtags like #NotionTemplates and #SellNotion to increase visibility. Gather feedback and iterate. Respond promptly to customer inquiries and continuously improve your template based on user suggestions. Happy customers are your best marketing asset. Finally, track your sales and analyze your results. Identify what's working, what's not, and adjust your strategy accordingly. Selling Notion templates is an ongoing process of learning, adapting, and providing value to your users. Good luck.